Dear friends, welcome to Nifty Indicators. It's easy to make money. Today, I'm going to discuss about which stock to pick up for positional trading or short-term investment over next few weeks and months. I have looked at all the 50 components of Nifty and shortlisted 3 of them. At number 3, it is State Bank of India. At number 2, it is TCS, Tata Consultancy. But at number 1, that we are going to discuss today, is HDFC Life Insurance. Why these or why this HDFC Life Insurance? I have no particular liking for any share as such, because my first rule is for trading or investment, do not have any kind of extra liking or attachment towards any particular stock or index. What made me pick up HDFC Life Insurance is the indicators. The indicators pointed out that that is the best share to trade over next few weeks or invest for next few weeks or months. That is this. In fact, last few weeks have been quite bad for HDFC Life, especially on 1st of February, that is the budget day. It touched 52-week low of 499 on 3rd of February, of course, after the budget day. But since then, last 4-5 days, it has been showing promise. All the indications are that it is expected to go up. See, for example, this is the page of HDFC Life Insurance share for last about a month. And if we want to see, have a look at all the indicators at one go, this is it. This shows all the indicators, how they look, what all the indicators are saying about HDFC Life Insurance. If you see here, from fully green in first and second week of January, it was fully red till the end of January, but after the first week of February, it has started getting into green territory. So which are the indicators that are saying we should go for HDFC Life Insurance? See, for example, Supertrend. Supertrend says slowly and steadily negativity is reducing here. We can see that Supertrend is not at, it has not given a buy signal as it, but its negativity is reducing. If we see Vortex 14, for example, again, negativity is reducing here. We can see that. If we are seeing EMA chart, that also is showing completely negativity is reducing slowly and steadily. If you see 5-day moving average, 5-day EMA has got into green already. If you see histogram, MACD histogram is reducing its positive negativity. If you see any other EMA, it is showing promise. If you say, for example, PSR, if you see before it actually started picking up, PSR gave a buy signal, slowly started reducing negativity from -63 to -23, -6, -3, and now it is 0.35 plus 25 plus 11 plus 2. So you see, basically we are talking of the negativity reducing here from minus 100, minus 97, minus 85, minus 67, minus 28, minus 6 and plus 48.30. That is yesterday, the Friday PSCR of HDFC Life Insurance has given a buy signal. What does the Keltner channel says? Same thing, ditto. If you see here, the negativity is reducing slowly and steadily. Bollinger Band, ditto. Negativity is reducing and positivity has started. And RSI, if you see here, RSI was quite low at 17 on 2nd of February, from 17 and 16 on 6th of February. From there it has started going to 31, 37, 38. It is now at 38. So is ultimate oscillator and 5-day average. All the indicators are showing positivity, slowly and steadily increasing positivity. So obviously we have to decide, we have to come to the conclusion that HDFC Life Insurance is obviously everything has a risk attached. This market is always, it carries a risk. So obviously this could be wrong. That's a different issue, but then that is a very small percentage of risk. But then basically, if you depend on indicators, mind you, all these indicators that I pointed out just now, I have been using it for a long time now, for years together. I have back tested most of them and picked up. These are handpicked by me. That is why I'm showing you these things, this combo. These have more than 70% success rate. That is why it's my belief, in my humble opinion, this share, HDFC Life Insurance, should do well over the next few weeks and give a good profit to positional trader or short-term investor. Thank you very much. Take care. God bless you.